So, okay, we're now on the way to Dubai because Small Step Skin goes to Dubai. So, guys, see you there. And, okay, I'm now with Alexa, of course, the marketing of Small Step Skin. So, we'll be with all the glam team, Karel, Syempre, and Wayne, and Small Step Skin crew. Okay, where's my yakult? Oh, guys, favorite ko. Okay, let's go, Alexa. Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. So guys, okay, there are so many good people here. Ito yung mga attendant ng airport. So, gusto nilang magpa-shout out. Okay, say hi.
Thank you po.
Mag-hi kayo.
Hi po. Please watch Small Lobby's vlog.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Si Sir po, yung TikTok ng mga Small Steps Skin crew. Napipilitan si Sir. O, ayan na. Si Sir, ma'am.
Feeling ba si Sir? My God, si Sir napapasubo. Ayan daw.
Yes, pupunta kami sa Dubai, pero 3 hours kami is delayed flight. Siyempre, si Ate Karel. Kati kayo, mag-hi ka. Hi. Saan sa tuwing? Nawala na naman. Sit down, waiting for the flight. Nadali lang kami konti.
3 oras.
3 oras?
May libreng ano yan, back and forth na ticket.
Oh, grabe. US.
US.
Yung small step team.
Play natin.
Andyan po, ma'am. Lapit na to, ma'am.
1 hours na tayo dito.
3 hours po.
Nasaan ng glam team?
Nandun po, ma'am.
Pinababa mo kami dito, sabi mo. Kapag na naman.
Ma'am, power bank niyo po.
Guys, meron kami free sandwich kasi delay. So sabi ni Lot-Lot, ma'am, kukunin ko sana siya. Lot-Lot, nasa yung sandwich?
Ubus na po, ma'am.
Lot-Lot, nasa tiyan mo?
Ubus na, nga.
Nasa tiyan ni Lot-Lot yung sandwich. Guys,
sayang yun eh.
Allocation ng sandwich for delayed flight for the passengers. Nasa tiyan mo yan.
Sarap, ma'am.
Ano?
Tuna at saka cheese.
Hindi mo kami binigyan.
Sabi niyo po kasi ayaw niyo po.
Si Karel kumain.
Ginain namin lahat.
Very good. Okay, sige.
50 Airlines welcomes you to Dubai.
Here na in Dubai with the team and Ate Weng and Ate Karels. Si ma'am nasa unahan na po. Welcome to Dubai.
Hello guys, we're here now in Dubai and of course, we'll go around today and okay, marketing team, Alexa, where do we go?
We're going to Sharjah today.
Sharjah, and then what do we do?
We're gonna look at the Small Step Skin displays.
Okay, so we'll do that for 3 days, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 3 days.
So okay, we're getting ready. So see you there. And by the way, King is there at the back. Of course, part of the marketing team of Small Step Skin. And of course, Michael, the boss of Small Step Skin. And the 2 Brujas Glam team. The breakfast. Pinunahan pa ako. And the Lot-Lot is behind the
Hi po.
Small Step Skin is now in Sharjah Mall, Co-op Market. So guys, okay, guys, you can come by and get your Small Step Skin care. Oh my God, I love the outfit. So Lot, now I'm here. Look, I'm selling the Small Step Skin here in Sharjah Co-op. So guys, come and visit. So I'm now with Litwa, the Managing Director of Hub. So where do we go now?
So I'm just gonna show you our very special display for you, of course.
Wow! Oh my gosh, look! Wow, this is such a big grocery.
And of course,
Oh my gosh, okay. So okay, Small Step Skin is here. So okay, it's inside the Hypermart. And guys, just come here na sa mga Pinoys there. Just come and get your skincare. Small Step Skin. So mga Pinoys there, just come and visit the Sharjah Co-op here.
Really gwapo siya, guys. Si Oscar. Hindi. Guys, bigla daw ako mag-asawa dito, sabi ni ma'am.
So guys, see you tomorrow at Sari Sari Star Bergman. Small Steps Skin will be there. See you. They're the influencers here. And then look at them, they're so beautiful and nice. They have good skin. Hello guys! Happy Women's Day from Small Steps Skin. Hello guys! As a mother of 3, I want to... Hello guys! As a mother of 4, I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day from Small Steps Skin. I'm so kabiswate. You're right, they're building small habits with Small Steps Skin. Happy New Year!
Galing. Galing ni ma'am. One take.
Of course! Happy Chinese New Year! Cindy and Twyla from Small Steps Skin. So guys, I got so tired with the photo shoot, and now I wanna buy things. I'm so not feeling well, so I need citruses in my body. Yung nice, oh, yung nice.
Masarap yung dates. Yan guys, yung mga dates. Sarap kaya to. Kasi yung kapatid ko dati nagtatrabaho sa Saudi. Yan ang pinapadala niya sa Pilipinas dates. Masarap po siya. May mga flavor pala. Ayan o, mayroon palang flavor. Maraming option. Mayroong dry, mayroong ito naman mga nuts. Ang sarap ng nuts. Bumili si Ate Weng ng nuts. Ayan, make popcorn.
So, okay, dinner here is in Sharjah. And look, everything here is like this look, you know. I thought it's like a mausoleum, but this, baka it's bad. Guys, I'm so nabibingi and not feeling well. I have suppon, I have colds really bad. So I'm so tired already. I can't hear, it's so barato, you know, and headache. But wow, this is a nice restaurant. I hope we have a good food tonight. But tomorrow we'll be in Dubai now until Sunday. This is our restaurant for tonight, and it's so nice here. Look, I have no idea where we are, but where's the door? Oh wow, it's nice. Puro, oh wow, guys, I'm tired. Oh, no, here. Guys, I need lampas. Here. Oh wow, it's so nice. I can see myself here. Look, let's take a photo. So let's get in.
Ma'am.
I have to go to the restroom. But you know what? I'm so sleepy na. Babagsak na yung eyes ko. Let's go to the restroom.
Opo, ma'am.
Show how beautiful the restaurant is. And everything here is so good. Kaya Sharjah. Sobrang sarap ng food.
Hi guys, pupunta kami sa Dubai Mall. May bibilin kaming sapatos ni ma'am. Kasi hindi sumama si ma'am kasi napagod po siya guys. Saka may sakit po si ma'am. Kaya bibili lang kami ng gagamitin niya ngayon. Okay, kasama ko ngayon si Ate Karil. Saka si Ate Weng. Silang dalawa ang kasama ko kasi hindi ko alam magpunta sa Dubai Mall na ako lang. Baka maligaw ako. Guys, maliit pa lang yung nilakad namin. Sabi ni Ate Weng, malayo daw.
Ay, maglakad.
Uy, may ikot-ikot na pinto. Ano paano yan, te? Pasok na?
Pasok natin.
Okay. May pintong umiikot-ikot. Kailangan, Kaso guys, sarado yung entrance. Baka gabi lang pwedeng pumasok. Guys, ito yung way papunta sa Dubai Mall. Hindi so yung mga view. Ganda. May bibilin po kami na utos po ni ma'am. Sinama ko si Ate Karil at si Ate Weng kasi Diyos ko, baka nawala sa oras. Hindi lang ako makabalik sa hotel. Sa entrance pa lang guys ng mall. Pagod na pagod ka na sa sobrang laki kasi nilakad lang talaga. Malayo pa. Yun na, malapit. Nakikita ko na. Yun pala yun, no? Dubai Mall. Yun pala siya. Kunting walk na lang, guys. At mararating na namin ang destination. Yun nga, sabi niya kanina. 10 minutes walk, sabi niya. Malapit na siya. Ang ganda, oh. Super malapit na talaga. Ayan na siya. entrance, Dubai Mall. Siyempre, may mga daan kami. Tikman daw ni Ate Weng. Hindi pwedeng hindi niya daw mabili at ipatikim sa amin. Alam mo, Tika Rin, ang sarap mong kasama.
Huwag yung isama sa vlog.
Tika, TJ, wag daw isama sa vlog. Yan. Ayan o, yung mga pistachio chocolate. Yan, ang gwapo ng tendero, guys. Tapos Ate Weng, ang gwapo pa daw.
Oh my God, wag.
Oh my God, kinikilig pa siya, guys. Kinikilig pa siya.
Huwag tayo kayo
Kuya, o yung asawa mo, kilig na kilig pa. Mini si Ate Karil. Yan. Okay, taste na daw, Ate. Kunin ko ng isa. Tikman namin yung pistachio chocolate. Nabis ka talaga, Ate Karil. Sarap mong kasama kung magmamasyal. Masarap siya. Deliciosa. Very sweet, very yummy, very clear. Masarap siya. Guys, wala pa kami sa destination namin. Busog na kami. Kasi tuwing kita namin pre-taste, kumukuha kami ng pre-taste. Guys, nabili namin yung utos ni ma'am. Yan. Guys, so, do you remember Cheesecake Factory? Do you remember, guys? Ayan o, Cheesecake Factory. Ate Karil, what do you experience the Cheesecake Factory?
Sweet.
Siyempre guys, babalik na kami sa aming location. Papunta si Ate Karil sa Sephora for buy the makeup. Si Ate Weng papunta sa aquarium. Mapipicture siya daw doon. 30 minutes na lang yung yung time namin. Kasi 2 o'clock yung full time namin sa 2 o'clock. Kailangan makapit kami bago bago mag-1. Kasi ma-make-up pa si ma'am. Dito kami sa aquarium. Mayroon ditong shark. Ayun o, mayroong bagis. Ayan o, yun yung bagis. Yung sharp, ayan, sharp. Maraming isda. May yung kinakain na pampano. Ayun, pampano, ma'am. May pampano yun, Saan mo yun? Pampano. Ayun, wow. Any kind of fish inside. Thank you, guys. Pinapakita ko po sa inyo ng pinakamaganda na mga fish here, Yan. Going back na to the hotel. Oh, the nice view. Ito yung nakikita ko sa sa TikTok. Yung guys, maganda dito pag gabi. Yan. Medyo mainit lang siya. Ayan yung fountain nila. Ayan Yan. Ito yung pinapasabog nila pag the night time. Kasi maganda dito pag sa gabi. Kita mo yung fountain. Guys, ito yung nakikita ko sa sa TikTok. Yung fountain, maganda siya pag gabi. Ayan siya ito yung tubig, saka yung meron po siyang parang meron siyang light papuntang sa taas. Finally, nakita ko rin siya sa personal. Pero hindi sa gabi, sa umaga ko siya nakita kasi binigyan kami ni ma'am ng time pumunta dito sa Dubai Mall. Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything. This moment is very special for me. Kasi nakikita ko lang to sa TikTok. Lagi ko, wow, maganda naman itong lugar na to. Sabi ko, wish ko po sana makapunta. Pero hindi ko yun sinabi kay mama. For myself lang, wish ko. Pero finally, guys, napuntahan ko siya. Ayan na, Ayan na siya. Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar ng Dubai. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am and sir. Thank you, Sir Mike.
And
Thank you, Small Step. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Michael. Small Step, thank you.
Another beautiful fountain. Yan. Siyempre guys, going home na. Yan, tatlong mga sexy. Ayan, tatlong mga sexy. Yan, Dito kami galing, nagpa-picture kami dito. Okay, bye.
So guys, we're getting ready for another store visit. It's in where?
Sari Sari Store, Burjuman.
Sari Sari Store, Burjuman. So, okay, we're rushing na, guys. But I'm still having hilo and vertigo naman today. Nasama ng colds ko. So, see you at the Burjuman Sari Sari Store. We're on our way to Sari Sari Store. And look what's in front of me. It's the frame. Wow, what a beautiful, nice, and amazing. It's just my vocabulary tree. Finally, the frame is there. Oh my gosh. So nice, so beautiful and amazing. But it's the bridge now.
My mom's skincare brand. Finally, we're here in Dubai. And hopefully, the rest of UAE.
For coming, and oh my God, nakaka-touch naman. Kumusta kayo? Inamag na kayo, Sorry! Thank you, love you guys. Thank you so much. It's so nice naman to see mga kababayan here.
No bashing, it's for fun, of course.
So guys, we're now here in Sari Sari store for Juman. So come na and get your Small Steps gift.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, Dina.
Thank you for coming.
Dina Sherman here.
My sister.
Yeah.
From another mother.
Yeah. Owner of Sari Sari store. So, okay, we're now at Souk Al Sif, and there are so many things that you can buy. There are so many restaurants here. Like we can buy so many shawls, jewelry. It's so beautiful. Let's go.
Close eyes.
Close eyes?
Yes.
Okay, close
And
eyes.
then you have to spoon.
Like ano lang. Okay.
What is that?
Close eye.
Grabe. Ano yan? Hindi yan yung mentol. Ganun mo siya, ma'am. Ito siya. Grabe.
Ma'am,
Grabe,
ma'am, sobra.
Grabe. Ah.
It's quickly open.
Ah. Maganda siya, ma'am. Masarap siya. Oh my God, it's so strong.
This is the best thing for sinus. If you know,
Hot water.
no, you can burn like this and you can use in hot water. Both.
So, what's this? Where the...
India, mountain.
Tama. From the mountain. Grabe, oh. Oh, wow. Guys, it's so...
I told you.
How do you feel now? How do you feel?
You know when it's coming
But it's so
in
strong.
2019 and 20 Corona, many people have sinus problem.
Yeah, that's...
This is the help.
So, okay, we get 1, 2, 3, 4.
100 dirham.
How much?
I show you the.
Si ma'am, kailangan ni ma'am.
How much is that pashmina? Meron daw, no? Tiffany blue. Ganun ba yung nakuha natin? Tingnan mo.
Oh, mami, you put, ma'am.
Mama,
Put the ma'am.
close eyes, close eyes,
Close eyes, close eyes.
close eyes.
Ma'am, igupin mo. Igupin mo. Yan.
Oh my God. Wow.
Nice.
Wow. Oh my God, it's until my larynx. You know?
I told you.
Okay, we buy for...
Four.
Is it the same? How much is that? They give us 25 other stores. We bought a lot already. How much?
I give you cheap. I give you 20.
Oh my gosh.
8 na.
Same lang. Same lang.
Guys, bili namin 40. Akala namin sobrang cheap na yung kasi from 70 to 40. Ito 20. Gusto ko na umiyak.
This is my product. That's why I sell cheap.
Still your owner?
Yes.
Wow, so.
That's why I can sell cheap price for me, no problem.
You're a businessman.
Yes.
And me too, a businesswoman. But a small business.
Kinumpare yung sarili self niya.
But your business is so big. My business is so cheap.
Cheap only.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay,
Si Alvin mo kasi iubutin siya.
Si Alden, painumin mo, pakainin mo, palaklak mo yan. Yan. Paubos mo na yan kay Alden. Yan, isubo mo kay Alden lahat. Baka mawala yung TV. Guys, no, walang TV si Alden, payatot lang. So, how much per gram? 5?
$5. See,
80 pesos.
only put and it's very
May
quick.
ganyan ba tayo?
See, it's not taking time.
We're gonna buy.
Give me.
Is that hot water? Gagawin mo yan sa house. Gagawin natin sa house. Oh my God, it's so strong. Tanggal lahat.
Grabe.
Lahat ng TV. Television. Okay?
Sobra pa to sa ano.
Guys, ako nga sobrang barado na wala, oh.
How much?
This is 20 for mixed flavor, double scoop. It is 30.
Only one scoop.
Only one scoop.
It is starting 20.
20?
Yeah.
20. One.
Okay, no problem.
One only.
It's for you. Ice cream. Big. Thank you.
Kaming artito.
Alan. Here. Excuse me.
You're playing me.
See. Yes. Ice cream, na.
Lot
Mixed flavor, ha? Come close, please. Thank you. This one. Yeah. Step by step. See it? Yeah. One. Choose one. Okay, choose one.
Akin I'm rushing.
No. Okay. Okay, fine. High five. Thank you, Angel. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name?
Lot.
Try test. Just test. Test. Hey, test. Okay. Fine.
Ang kulit ng kamay nito. Okay, good. You play me, I will play you also. Payment time. Okay. Payment time. Get it. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Be careful.
Okay, careful.
It's money. It's money.
Yeah.
Don't joke with money.
Don't joke the food also.
Ice cream.
It's final. Okay, get it. I will rush. Okay, get it. Because you don't like, I will play this one. Okay, thank you so much. Now you know what the feeling. You know what the feeling. See?
My gosh, this is our food for tonight.
This is dried shark. She just told me.
Dried shark?
I thought it was couscous. No, it's
Wow,
dried
it's
shark.
not couscous.
No.
Wow, seafood. What's this? The chicken. Wow, this is our food for tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, thanks, Vita.
Small, please finish this off.
I will finish.
Ito guys, ito po yung dinner po namin. Yan po. Ito po yung mga kakain po. And yan po yung mga friend mo.
So, guys, we're now here in Dubai Mall and we're here at the Fashion Avenue, but of course, tomorrow we'll do the desert, camel ride, safari. So, guys, we'll buy Bonamine for lot kasi baka mag-throw up. Lot, ayan, pang suka mo. Bukas, everyone should take this. Ayoko na amoy suka yung car. Parang si Tito Joel. Ano yan? Oh.
Sabi niya, you drank this and then getting tall.
Alam mo, Lot, tell them you're 30. Siya nagsabi. Sinabi mo 30 years old ka na. Guys, akala nila si Lot 14 years old. Pinom daw nito para maging taller. Talagang nilapitan ka.
Oh, lapitan niya ako.
Oh my gosh, ang cute ng bata. Get this gummy bear for you to be tall. Lot, alika na. We'll go to Cheesecake. Oh my God, Cheesecake Factory pa rin. Kasi si Karel and si Lot gusto mag-Cheesecake Factory. So, even if we're here sa Dubai, Cheesecake pa rin. Ay, dito kayo nag-Hermes?
Nagbigyan siya kami ng free perfume.
Nyo yung perfume.
May sakit pa yan guys, si mom guys, di pa yan siya okay.
So, taking all those medicines, I'm so groggy na.
Guys, yan na yung guys, aquarium. Ma'am, nagpunta kami yung kahapon, ma'am.
Saan nakita mo yung mga stingray?
Sa labas lang naman. Yun, may mga sharp.
Lot, ano sabi mo? May mga sharp.
Opo.
Okay, ano pa?
Sharp, mayroong pampano sa loob. Oo nga, nakita ko pampano.
Stingray niya is pampano.
Oh, ayan na yung ma'am, sap-sap pampano. Hindi, may sharp. Yung may yun ang sharp.
So, my gosh, we're here now in Cheesecake Factory. Of course, it's so huge here. Ay, ano sabi mo?
Ang sexy niyo po talaga.
Ay, I'm really sexy. Ano akala nyo? I'm mataba? Okay.
Ganda niyo po.
She said I'm so sexy in person. So, she knows that I'm so tabachoy on TV. Yeah. So, guys, I'm so tabachoy on TV, no? Okay, personal, no. Okay.
Ang ganda mo pala sa personal. Ay, makikita ko dyan. Bakit sa TV, no?
Ang cute.
Okay. Toast kayong tatlo. Itong tatlong bruha, naka-strawberry lemonade. Okay, go.
May anak ba yan?
Sige, toast. Cheers! Okay. The 3 payatots. Mag-hi ka. Hi. Okay. Oh, wow. From working in Dubai. Hello. Pakiulit.
Mas sexy ka.
Pakisabi ulit.
Mas sexy, looks can be deceiving. Mas maganda ka sa personal.
Okay, thank you.
Mas sexy.
She said, Madam, ang ganda mo sa personal. So, guys, pinuulit ko syempre. So, finally, guys, Karel, na-order na niya yung gusto niya. This is for Karen. Hihingi daw si Weng. Weng will ask for a little bit. But that's Karel's.
Ma'am. Wala may naalala lang.
Okay. Walk out sa America. The bog. The bog.
Ate Digna, hi.
Hindi nyo naubos, si Digna. Ano ba yan? Kakain pa lang ako, susubo pa lang ako. Wala na, walk out na, dabog na. Thank you. What did you order, Lot, when you were in Macau?
Kalimutan ko naman may pasta yun, ma'am eh. Tsaka nut sauce po.
Na tumakas kayo sa akin. Okay.
Nagluluto nito?
Apo, ito po.
Kapag uwi mo sa Manila, ipan mo kami ha.
Ito po. Ay, doon po kayo.
Turan mo kami ha. Ipakonta ka.
Hello po, from Philippines, Taguig.
Sa Manila ha, i-heart kita. Eto, chicken costaleta is my favorite ever since.
Siya po ang gumagawa niya.
Pwede bang magpunta ka sa house, iluto mo?
Yan. Pwede.
Not, get the contact number.
Sige po.
Wow, yung favorite ko, alam mo nga. Anong name mo? Ever since ito na yung favorite ko sa Amerika pa.
Talaga.
20 years ago.
Pizza lunch.
Okay, we're done with lunch. Done with lunch at 4:40. Ayun siya. Arel, you want? Hindi na kaya.
Busog naman.
Lot. Kanina pa namin niyayaya here. Sabi niya, ayaw ko ma'am kasi masakit na yung fit ka. Then nung nakita niya yung founder, nagkawala guys. Pero kanina ayaw mag-go out.
Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Wala na.
Yan na.
I will go there.
Opo, ma'am.
You will go to the 123rd floor.
Wow!
The public one, but the private one, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
There.
Wow, pupunta kami din
Then,
bukas.
you will go, saan ka pa pupunta, Lot?
Sa Pias Capri.
Desert. Sa desert. Ano
Desert
Capri? And then you will go to this one and only H building.
Wow.
Oh my God, I am so tired already. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!